So students, in this video, I will teach you how to make a dynamic navbar. So question is that what is the meaning of dynamic navbar? Dynamic navbar means like a store, Mac, iPad, iPhone. These are the anchor text of navbar. So if we want to make a such type of program that increase or decrease the anchor tag without touching the HTML, so it can be possible by using JavaScript. Now, how it can be made? I am creating a file just like navbar dot html, and second one is navbar dot js. Now I have created two files, and third file is navbar dot js. I have created three files like navbar dot html, navbar dot css, and navbar dot js. Now, firstly, create a navbar. So suppose I am just taking the unordered list, then li list, then anchor tag, and then suppose I am making the website which have 4 pages. Suppose I am making the website which have, now this is a store, so store dot html. Like I am creating a 4 links. Now this is a mac dot html. This is iphone dot html. Then this is can use watch. I am making 4 pages store mac iphone or watch. Now you can also change that one iphone and then watch. Now, I have created 4 anchor tag in a nav. Firstly, I'm just giving one class like nav and link the CSS file dot slash navbar dot CSS. Apart from that, I can link the script file like as dot slash navbar dot CSS. I have done all those things. Now I can call the class in the CSS, then class called by dot nav and apply some CSS because the output of this code is looking like that. So firstly we have to make some little bit good things. Now like nav is a UL, so I want to remove the dots from this type none. So I can use this CSS property, then it will be like this. I want to uh, remove the underline, so this is the property of anchor text. So dot nav, then nav contain li and li contain anchor text. So I am always trying to use the descendant selector. It is a good practice to write CSS using descendant or nested selector. So next anchor text declaration. I am justify content center, but it work with display flags. Now you can look this one like that. I want to space between them, so you have to give margin in anchor tag like suppose I am giving this, and apart from that I am giving the color white, and here I am giving the white, sorry, color, what color, background. Okay, now it will look like that. Now I want to create some space between them, so padding, post padding 30 px, and now I want to remove the space outside the neighbor, so you write select a body and write margin, not body, star selector, because I want to apply this CSS property each and every tag. So margin 0 px and padding will look like that. Now I have making the HTML and CSS. I have created HTML CSS. Now my work is JS. 3 more pages. Like first page is navbar. So I will give store to navbar because this is a navbar page. Okay, and I am just writing behind that this is store page. Okay, now copy, select all, copy, and then just I am creating a second page whose name is mac.html, like that, and paste this code, and I am just writing this is mac. Okay, now I'm creating next one is iphone.html and paste this code in that, and like, what is the reason of doing that? Because I don't want to confuse. That's why I am making it from scratch. First.html and then paste that code. And so now run any page. Like I am just running the this page. So if I am here, so store page, there is an navbar.html and this is a store page. Now I am clicking the Mac. So this is a Mac page. This is an iPhone page, and this is a watch page. So you can create all those things. Like one thing is that what is the problem is navbar.html is not defined. I am writing here navbar because the name of the HTML is little bit wrong file name, so I can write it in F. It is right, so it will, so it cannot create any problem. Now you can go anywhere in the page. Okay, so now I am just connecting the CSS. This is complete HTML. Now I can add the JS. So what, how it can be possible, how to make a dynamic navbar? So you need a array of object. What is the meaning of array of object? Array of object means, like, firstly I will give you the example. Like, let I have created a OBJ and then this is an object. First is key, and key contain anchor link. I am just giving the anchor link key, and what is the value of this key is, suppose I am in first page, so I am just giving the navbar.html. So these anchor link represent that HTML href value. So this is the purpose of link. Now second one is anchor show. What is the meaning of anchor show? Like I am just writing the store. Reason is that this is the anchor show and this is the anchor. This one is the anchor link. So I am making this one. Like in one object, this thing is there. So I need a multiple object. What I need? I need a multiple object because there are four links. But in single object, it will create only for one. So I can use this link or I can put this link in the array. So in array, it will contain one object. So array can contain multiple or n number of objects. So copy this object and paste multiple times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have so one extra. So I can do now. I can change navbar to mac.html and here write mac. Now I can write iphone.html and then last one is watch. Now what we can do, like suppose I am making an array of object. Now you need to copy one single line. You need to copy a single line, coming JS and using the ARR object dot map, because if you want to iterate the element of the array, you need to map method. Now I'm just passing the callback, it is item callback, item callback function name item. Then you need to template literal or backtick, and the UI you have copied from HTML, you need to paste it. Now you can remove these path and using template literal dollar curly braces and write item dot nav bar, sorry, anchor link, and replace these by writing dollar curly braces item dot nav, sorry, anchor show. So it is ready. So but in HTML you need to make one space or area where you can show the output. So I am removing that because it is an HTML. I want to do that thing from JS. So firstly I am copying that one because I have been in this class. So I need to select that class. So I am just writing select class variable, then writing document. Now class is there, so you can use dot, and class name is there. Okay. I am selected the class, and now I am just writing the select class dot inner HTML, and this array of object assigned to that variable. If I can update one array, or if I can add one array of object, like enabling pages, like suppose Mac, iPhone, all these things like vision, and writing vision here. So you see vision is added, automatically added. If you want to remove some options from that, you don't need to touch the HTML or CSS. You can increase or decrease the element of array, the nav link or nav bar, it increases or decreases. But one thing you have to remember, that if you create a vision.html, so you need to create a HTML page vision.html. So this is the meaning of making dynamic navbar. If I can remove these two, suppose I can remove these two anchors, so we have seen the output two anchors. It is working.